Namaste, my name is Ankit and today I want to represent you with the bed sheets and the 100-gram quilt. Here I have a different collection of the block printing bed sheets. We are from Rajasthan and the bed sheet is made by the pure cotton cloth with the hand block printing, and the designs are very unique and very different designs here. I have many designs like you can see here, different colors and different designs available, and the cloth quality is pure cotton cloth and is done by hand block prints and using the vegetable dyes. So the most important thing, the colors are fast and natural colors, so afterwards the color will not be dull. And today I will show you one very special thing, which is I think the first time we are taking in the Chennai. According to south part, this quilt you can use in AC, like different colors and the prints. I have the single bed and the double bed also. Double bed is the king size. The cloth we are using in the quilt is pure cotton, the same with the block printing prints, and inside there is no foam, no fiber. Inside we are using the sheep wool. So the benefit of the sheep wool, it is not synthetic, allergenic, and the most important thing, it is fully washable, like hand wash, machine wash you can do. Like you just need to remember, you need to wash it in the cold water with the easy and gentle wash. This is pure cotton, and the benefit is like the color will not be fade, because the colors we are using, these are all natural dyes, not chemical color we use. The colors are made by the fruits and vegetables, so these are fast colors. And you know, whenever you come, we can do your respect, so giving you good discount also, because we are first time here. So right now just taking a small collection to just check how we how we see here and the response of the customers. So whenever you come, we can give you good discount also. So we wish that you can come and see those collection and support us.
Is it a one-time investment from?
And the thing is like this is one time investment, like the quality is very nice because it is pure cotton and the color will not be fade. So whenever you purchase other site like from Bombay Dyeing and like that, so that bed sheet you buy like 2 bed sheet in a year, so my one bed sheet will be that last long. The bed sheet I have 2-3 qualities. So the first quality starts from 650 rupees. It is with the pillow covers and the size is double bed. And the second quality will come also with the pure cotton. It is a export quality, so the size will be western king size with 2 matching pillow cover. The cost will be 950 rupees. And like 8 to 10 designs I have with different colors available. And if you like some like this type of design with the patchwork and the gold print, which is available also, 1250 is the cost of this bed sheet. Also come with the 2 matching pillow covers with western king size. And the quilt, the single bed will be available 950 rupees and the king size will be available 1650, 1650 rupees for the double. Here I am showing you today a very unique thing. The small size I am showing you right now as a sample piece. This is related with the Vastu Shastra. So it has the different type of meaning. So for the first meaning I explain you. If you believe in Vastu Shastra in your office, in the house, to keep this tree is a symbol of making the negative energy to in positive energy, and the prosperity also, and the good wealth. So these stones is the symbol to convert your negativity in a positivity. We have a different sizes there. Like the first size is this one, the second size you can see here, and the third size with the bigger one is here. And the more other things, like the first name we can give it to this jewel carpets. These carpets and these things you can find only in the Rajasthan regions. Whenever you will visit the palaces and the big museums there, you will see a very royal art. Even for the decoration purpose, it is also good to keep it in the house. You can frame them like this, and I have a very different and unique designs here, like the welcoming elephants, symbol of Rajasthan is camel here. This is the flower wash, and this is a carpet design. This is a Persian carpet design, very unique and different. And the peacock is our national bird also, and in the south region is a symbol of Lord Murugan. So also it is nice to keep it in the house for the positive energy. Actually, these all our items are made in the village of Jaipur city. So the people are making, these are the tribal families. So the benefit of those things, whenever you buy and support us, the money is going directly to support of the artisans family. There is no mediator between you and us. So please kindly visit and support us as much as you can. This is the elephant print. When you will see it from far, it will look like a katha work, but it is also natural printing. It's not, there is no hand stitch or anything. The wooden blocks we use for making those type of designs. Here we have the brass collection. The here you can see the camel is a symbol of Rajasthan. As we come from Rajasthan, so this is the identity that we are coming from. You will find the collection of the god and goddess collection here and with the reasonable prices. Here you can see some antique collection we have. This side you can see some kind of nice antique collection, like see this type of pots maybe will be more than 500-year old, and many articles you will find which will be good for the interior of your house. Look, this thing you can use for your house decoration, like that type of things. Elephants, like here we see like the collection we are giving you, the antique one. Many people come here to check and they are very much interested in antique things, even like they like more brass also for gift purpose, for personal use, for decoration, for interior of the houses and offices. But the antique collection is more unique because that thing is like old and the people cannot imagine like how much it can be and how old it would be. And here see, we are taking new arrivals of the brass articles. This thing you can use for personal purpose and for the decoration also. This is something we are bringing like from the royal site of Rajasthan. Here you can see the flower wash is made by totally marble, the white marble, and on it you can see the gold work which is the made by the real gold, and is a kundan work, kundan and meena work. The same thing with the Ganesha. This is also made by the marble with meena and kundan work on it. We have more than 500 products in our collection. We are here at the mini Sri Sankara Hall, in the mini hall which is just next to the main hall. We will be here until 1st of March. The location is 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet, Sri Sankara Mini Hall. I repeat again, Sri Sankara Mini Hall. We are here for 1st of March. So please kindly come and visit us and please support as much as you can. The timing to visit this place from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. The contact number 7726 877 548. I repeat again, the timing here to visit 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. The contact 7726 877 548. Thank you.